Now, so far we have learned many things about Python lists. So if you want to do some exercises and check the gathered knowledge of yours, then what you can do is you can go to Google and just search for gigs Python list exercises and open this first link, and here as you can see you have many tasks or examples. You can try them and check your learning stage. First of all, as you can see, we have access list item. If you click here, you will see some exercises with example of accessing list elements. You can read them, and after completing this, you can always go back and click on the second one, which is change list item, and you can read that. And you can copy paste these codes in PyCharm and try this on your own. But for a more effective learning, you can search in Google by writing W3 Schools Python list exercises. Then hit enter and click on this. So as you can see here, we have some topics. First of all, lists, then access lists, change lists, add lists, remove list. For example, you can click on this, and as you can see, it asks some questions. So here the question is, what will be the result of the following syntax? So here as you can see, we have a list called mylist, and there we have 3 fruits, and we are printing mylist element with the index 1. That means the second element. Okay, you can select this and submit your answer. As you can see, it shows correct answer. Then after that, you can go to the next question. As you can see, we have another list, then it is asking my list, and it is trying to print my list item at the index of 2. So 0, which is apple, then 1 banana, 2 banana. So again it will print banana. Click on the next question, and here as you can see, it is asking true or false. Now list items cannot be removed after a list has been created, so the statement is false. We saw in our previous videos that we can remove items from list after the creation, so it is false. Submit answer. Again it is correct answer. Now here the question is, select the correct function for returning the number of items in a list. So here we have 3 items in the list. So in our previous videos we used the len method to know the length of a list. Let's submit. As you can see, it is also correct. So after completing this, again you can go to this page and open the second item, and here as you can see we have more questions, and this time the topic is Python access lists. Now here we are accessing with negative indexing, so -1, it will print cherry. Submit. So I'm not gonna answer all of them in this video. So I am trying to say is, go to these websites and explore them and try to answer the questions, and go to Gigs for Gigs, copy these codes, modify them, and try those on yourself. This will make you more confident in coding. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.